it's your girl Tisha Isabella. By the title of the video, you already know what it is. We're getting to an unboxing. This amazing company on Amazon sent me a wig. Got here in 2 days. They sent me a 13x4 10-inch bob wig. And this is the packaging. It's really cute. I'm gonna put the screenshot of the of how to find it. The brand name is Hoacon, something like that. H-O-A. I can't remember how they spell it. I'm gonna put the screenshot up there so y'all can find them. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Let's go ahead and open this up. Big shout out to them for sending me this wig, by the way. I know it's gonna be beautiful. Took the sticker off. It said thank you. Thank you for supporting my small business. 100% virgin human hair. Okay. Give me some wig caps. They sent me an elastic band. Thank you. I needed a new one. Y'all already came through because I needed a new one. And this, of course, is the wig. I hope it's not too short. I really always do like 12 inch, but you always have to end up cutting it anyway, so it should be fine. It does have a smell, but you're supposed to pre-wash your wigs anyway. Okay, this is the wig. I feel like it's gonna be too short already. It looked like some good hair though, but I feel like it's gonna be short, too short. It feels real soft though. It's soft to touch. It is 13x4 though. It's giving real short though, but when I put it on, it may be just right. I'm probably going to install it really soon. Maybe sometime this week, whenever that video does drop. But it is the 13x4. And it came in the middle part. I hope it doesn't be too short because it's actually some good quality hair. It feels real soft and it feels real silky. So I hope it doesn't be too short. Then you know how sometimes the sides, the lengths don't be long enough. But it looks like it. We're gonna hope. We're gonna hope it turns out right. So yeah, this straight out the box. I think it's gonna turn out cute. I may do it into like a side part bob because I always do middle part. So I may do like a side part for minimal baby hairs because I always do middle parts with the bob. So I may do a side part. I'm definitely about to go ahead and bleach the knots, get it ready, and it's gonna be installed in a couple days. Like, you can never go wrong with a bob, like never. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the wig fresh out the box. And yeah, I'm gonna get the knots bleached. I have a video up sometime this week of me installing it. I'm gonna put the link in the description so you can go and find this wig easily. I believe this wig was around $68. I'm gonna put the screenshot up so you'll know for sure. But I believe it wasn't that high either. And it shipped off to me really quick, 2 days. Like, then you can do it for Amazon Prime. But yeah, this is how it looks on the mannequin hair. Y'all know I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna get it together. I just wanted to show y'all the quality of the hair. I hope it don't be too short because it's really some good quality hair. All right, that will be it for the video. I kept it really short. I just wanted to show you guys the wig before I bleach the knots and install it, pluck it, all that good stuff. So I just wanted to show you guys the wig. You guys have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on so you can see when I install this wig. Y'all have a good day.